In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract numbers in Excel. If you're working with budgets, expenses, totals, or any kind of basic spreadsheet math, subtraction is one of the most useful things to know. The good news is that Excel makes it very simple once you understand the formula format. To begin, open Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to do the calculation. When you're ready to subtract two numbers, start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. This is important because the formula will display its answer in whatever cell you select. Next, type the subtraction formula directly into that cell. In this example, enter equals A2 minus B2. Written out, that looks like equals A2, then a minus sign, then B2. The equal sign tells Excel that you're entering a formula instead of plain text. The cell reference A2 points to the first number, and B2 points to the second number that will be subtracted from it. After typing the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will instantly calculate the result and show the answer in the cell. That's all it takes to subtract one value from another. For example, if cell A2 contains 500 and cell B2 contains 150, the formula equals A2 minus B2 will return 350. This is a common setup if A2 represents an amount and B2 represents an expense. Excel subtracts the expense from the amount and gives you the remaining value. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that Excel always follows the order of the formula exactly as you type it. So in this case, the value in B2 is being taken away from the value in A2. If you reverse the formula, you'll get a different result. That's especially important when you're working with financial data or tracking balances. Also, make sure you type the formula carefully. If you forget the equal sign, Excel may treat what you enter as regular text instead of a calculation. And if the cells don't contain numbers, the result may not work the way you expect. Once you understand this basic formula, you can use the same approach again and again throughout your spreadsheet. Just click the results cell, type your formula using the appropriate cell references, and press Enter. That's how to subtract numbers in Excel quickly and accurately.